Most of us can make a mean G&T, but how many of us can say the same about a cocktail? How about a classic cocktail? Well, Craft Gin Club is here to help with this series exploring the art of classic gin cocktails. Next up, a white lady. The birthplace of a white lady is believed to be the iconic Harry's New York Bar in Paris, made with gin, orange liqueur, lemon juice, and egg white or aquafaba, or neither, to give a light foam on the top. We'll add 50 ml of gin to our empty cocktail shaker. We recommend using 58 gins, London Dry. Next up is 25 ml of an orange liqueur. Then we need 15 ml of fresh lemon juice. Next, we'll add egg white to give our drink a nice, light, frothy finish. If you're not one for egg white, you can also use 20 ml of aquafaba, which is the water that comes in a tin of chickpeas. Or use neither, it's your drink. You don't need to use the entire egg white, but if you do, it will be extra frothy. Then we'll give it all a dry shake so that our egg white or aquafaba gets nice and frothy. Looks ready for ice. And now for a wet shake. We'll garnish our white lady with lemon peel. Cheers!